Lahat ng colors ata meron. Very subtle and very natural. Yes! So ever since that exotic dancer used this at mamahal, gusto mong mahal, naghahanap ng mamahalin. Wow! Hindi pa naman tayo pasa sa girl, diba? Hi guys, it's Galvez. This is an exciting episode because this is all about lip and cheek tints. Guys, if you're new here, please do like and subscribe. Also share it on your feed, your friends, your family if you like this vlog. Bakit ako naka-shade? Tanggalin na natin ito. So, what are my favorite lip and cheek tints? Marami actually. I have a few favorite from Colorette. Meron po ba nito? Oh my gosh, this is so tagal na. And then I have also this. This is from Allen. This is a roll-on type lip and cheek tint. So, as you can see, medyo orangey, reddish undertone yung color na itong stain na to. Favorite ko din siya. And then, with Colorette naman, this one, I think this was their old in Ava. Favorite ko siya because medyo nasa warm undertone siya. So, medyo peachy yung tone niya. And then, this one naman is also from Colorette Maya. So, medyo orangey and warm din yung color niya. So, perfect siya actually for mga guys if you're doing grooming or if you just want to wear just lip and cheek tint. Perfect yung mga colors. But, of course, I'm gonna share with you my ultimate favorite lip and cheek tint. These are from Benefit. So, these are my favorite from Benefit. So, ayan siya guys. Lahat ng colors ata meron. If you guys don't know, actually Benefit was the first one to release the first ever lip and cheek tint. This was 1977 when they released Benetint. Can you believe that? This was like 1977. Pero alam ko naman Philippines like just started adapting this lip and cheek tint since the Korean or K-pop, K-beauty started the trend. And it's looking good. And nakikita ko a lot of young girls in Filipinas are using makeup nowadays. So ngayon, tuturo ko sa inyo on how to apply it. Tama ba yung color na ginagamit nyo? Saan nyo siya dapat ilagay kung ano yung look na gusto niyo. Okay, so let's start with Benetint. This one has a rosy stain finish and this one is a bit watery. So as you can see, it has a doe foot applicator. So perfect siya if you want to just apply it here on your lips. Look at that. Very subtle and very natural. Ang ganda. Okay, and then I also like putting it on the cheeks. Naku, mukhang maraming beses ay mag-a-apply ng lip. But I like using my fingers first and then applying it here on the apples of the cheeks. Going towards the cheek plane. So as you can see, very natural lang siya. Very subtle lang yung effect niya. The thing about this is very buildable. So if you want more color, just add more layers. Very, very natural. So I'm just putting it here on the cheek plane. Oops, pimple alert. Not wearing any makeup, by the way. And then I also like applying it here in the nose area, center of the nose, just to give the parang Korean drunk blush effect. Okay, fun fact. You know that this special tint was created for an exotic dancer in the 1970s? Yes! So ever since that exotic dancer used this, has become a cult favorite. Dance pa more. This one is the Posse Tint. So ito naman, it has this poppy pink shade. Look at this. Look at that. It's still sheer, it's still natural. It has a pink, poppy pink color. So, I like putting it here on the center again. Oh, look at that. It matches my top, my hoodie. So, kanino bagay itong mga pink na to? Of course, this one is pwede naman with anyone. But generally, this one is for fairer with a pinkish undertone skin tones. Yay! So cute. So, like pinkish, this one, pinkish flush for your blush. Okay, so next color, let's try this one. This is the Cha-Cha Tint. Cha-Cha Tint naman has a mango tinted color. So as you guys can see, ooh, look at that. Medyo orangey siya. There. Okay. So when they use this color, this is actually perfect for Morena or Filipinas because you know this has a very warm, peachy, orangey undertone. So also if you want to create that sun-kissed beach look, kanina naka-shades ako so gamitin natin siya. Perfect yan if you want to create that sun-kissed, bronzy effect look. Of course, we don't have bronzer, but if you put on bronzer, you will create that sun-kissed effect. Natural sun-kissed effect. So again, I like putting it here on my hand first. So, and then applying it on my cheeks. Oh gosh, look at that. It's so nice. I like putting it also here on the center of my nose to create that beachy, summery, drunk, everything all in one look. Okay, why do I put it here on my hand first? Actually, pwede naman diretso on your cheeks. Pero syempre, may onting kaba kasi baka mamaya biglang tinawag ka or biglang may tumawag sa isa sabi nag-text, hindi mo ma-blend. Patay ka na eh. Walang blending na magaganap. So make sure that you put it on your hand first, but if confident ka na, ilaban mo na yan first. Okay, so next is the Gogo Tint. So I have been promoting this on my Instagram, IGTV, on my live and everything. This is probably my go-to lip and cheek stain from Benefit. So it has a red cherry color na show you. So it's very long-lasting, long-wearing. So it can last you the entire year. Boom! Look at that! Oh my gosh! It has this long-wearing effect. And again, as you can see at the color, medyo bright red cherry lip siya. So I like putting it first on my lip to give it that parang natural looking red pinkish lips. Wow! So ako, I like using my fingers also. You can also apply it using this, syempre sa akin naman to. So it's okay to apply it using that applicator. And then most of my concentration is only on the center of my lips. And then blend lang natin. Oh my gosh, look at that. So good. Tapos, gustong-gusto ko siyang nilalagpas. Gusto ko sa talaga na parang namumula yung buong entire lip ko because that will make your gradient lips more natural. Look at that. Yes, so next, this was just recently released, 2019. Grabe, this is the Love Tint. So sa mga nagmamahal at gusto mong mahal, naghahanap ng mamahalin. Wow! This one is still liquid, natural, and long-wearing. So as you guys can see, it has a fiery red color. And the finish, it's still subtle. And siya, magkaibang-magkaiba sila from the Gogo Tint. So I like putting it in here, actually in the middle of my lips. Perfect yan, guys. No? Kissable lips. So if you guys like applying it here on the center and then blend mo lang. There you go, guys. Grabe. This bottle alone, this is a full-size bottle. This can actually last you for I think a year or two maybe. Wow, kuripa. Sulit to, guys. So guys, and of course kung meron ka pang onti here on your fingers, you just apply it here. Since meron na tayong mga ibang colors yan, I just doing gradient effect. Ooh, hindi pa naman tayo pasasa girl, diba? Love Tint, this is so perfect. And of course, the latest of Benefit's lip and cheek stain or tint. This one is Blatant! So this one is probably my newest favorite. This one has a pink lemonade tone. So as you guys can see, it's still in a doe foot applicator. So tada! Oh my gosh! Ang ganda niya talaga! Look at that! So the color is pink. So perfect talaga siya for blushing. So I'm gonna apply it here on my cheeks. Oh my gosh, ang ganda! So this one is actually perfect for any skin tone. So perfect if you're morena, if you're fair, if you're dark. Kasi it has a pink lemonade tone. So perfect siya for warm and cool tones. Glowing yan. I love it. Ganda. Oh my gosh. And then, I like finishing off the look, of course, with the original Benetint. And then, applying it only here in the center. Just to give you that finish. Make sure that you blend excess. Yung mga excess pa dyan sa fingers nyo, apply nyo na yung lahat. And there you have it. alam nyo na guys kung paano siya i-apply. So guys, if you guys like this video or if you know anyone who's obsessed or mahilig mag lip and cheek tint, share this to them or tag them in this video. Thank you guys. So if you guys want to learn more makeup, beauty, anything under the sun, just comment down below. Bye guys!